Sowbaghya tilting grinder. Hi, welcome to Sowbaghya's wet grinder. You are about to view the products of Sowbaghya. We at Sowbaghya feel elated to meet you through this program. We feel that this program can enlighten you on the usage and maintenance of our products. Now, you are going to see Sowbaghya tilting grinder. This grinder is manufactured with a capacity ranging from 5 liters to 45 liters. And it is done with your requirements taken into consideration. This grinder has got a detachable dome made of stainless steel which is made to fit the instrument well. You can scrape coconut with a good speed in this grinder. The double cylindrical load is present to grind the flour at a good speed and has been designed to meet this need. This fiber covering has been designed to take care of the flour varieties. This grinder has got a detachable dome made of stainless steel which is made to fit the instrument well. The grinder can be used to grind rice, urad dal, masala in a hygienic atmosphere with speed attached to it. When the grinder is switched on, pour some water. Then put the washed rice. The double grinding stone grinds the flour at quick intervals, and once the flour attains the essential grinding stage, and close the fiber covering. This tilting grinder, when set to work, works with a minimal noise and does not exhibit any vibration which is in use. The double cylindrical load is present to grind the flour at a good speed and has been designed to meet this need. Put off the grinder to release the lever outside and get the flour out of the body by utilizing the tilting capacity of the instrument. When the grinder is used to grind masala, pour some water before it is set to grind. Place the masala material Pour some water as per requirement. Add garlic and sliced pieces of ginger. Coriander. Curry leaf to the masala. After some time, an attractive aroma from the grinder rises, and thus the masala mix is grinded to be put to use. The important output of this grinder is its ability to grind coconut and to do it at a rapid pace. Maintenance of tilting grinder. Remove the bolt under the double cylinder . And remove the cover present on top of it. Then replace the unusable belt with a new belt. To replace oil, remove the top bolt of the bottom cylinder. Then remove the cover present in the middle and follow it up by removing the bolt from the gearbox present inside. Removing it outside, pour the required amount of oil.